Now, a lot of you in the room probably don't know what the Bellingham Multiple Listing Service was. That's when people like Jerry Blankers created a multiple before the MLS came along. And we had pages. The millennials out there, you don't know what I'm talking about. But imagine a phone book, and you waited for that phone book to come out and flip through to see whether that new listing is there, a little black and white photo. Yeah. And look for anyone my age or older next to you, they'll tell you all about it after the meeting. It was pretty crazy. We got a lot better today. Anyway, back to Jerry. He served on that MLS, that's what it's getting. In the community, Jerry is the current vice president for the Linden Downtown Business Association. He's a board member for the Linden Chamber of Commerce. In the past, he served on the boards for the YMCA and the Linden Boys and Girls Club. Jerry is a volunteer coach at local youth basketball and fast pitch, and has done so for the last 40 plus years. He's the founder and head of the Northwest Raspberry Festival and the Kurt Mayberry 3-on-3 basketball tournament that is heading into its 20th year with over 200 teams attracting over 20,000 people to downtown Linden for that event. It's an amazing event, thanks to Jerry Blankers. He's a supporter of the youth livestock sale at the Northwest Washington Fair, every year donating animals to use for show, and has financially supported over 100 kids each year at that sale. Jerry, last January, started a 3-on-3 basketball tournament in Guatemala. He started Guatemala while there are now a 2-week mission trip at the Eagle's Nest Orphanage and plans another trip this month to host the 2nd annual 3-on-3 tournament in Guatemala. Jerry owns and operates a small cattle ranch, raising Limousin beef cattle, and has traveled the country showing cattle. He is a huge supporter and contributor to our 4-H and FHA programs. That is Jerry Blankers. So,